Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh, and you're watching Channel 6 Network's 9 p.m. bulletin. Here are the top stories tonight. India's GDP growth has slowed to 5.4% in Q2 of 2024-25, a significant dip amid global economic challenges. As the nation grapples with these headwinds, the government is focused on balancing inflation control while stimulating growth to maintain its position as one of the world's fastest growing major economies. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has addressed the recent attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh, calling for accountability and ensuring the Indian government will continue to monitor the situation closely. India remains committed to protecting minority interests while balancing diplomatic relations with Bangladesh. In the Rajya Sabha, Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar has urged restraint in the use of Rule 267, which allows members to suspend the day's business. He emphasized the impact of frequent disruptions on parliamentary proceedings and called for introspection on the matter. Experts suggest that India's exports could benefit from the tariff policies of former U.S. President Donald Trump. As uncertainties loom, India may accelerate its Make in India initiatives to reduce reliance on imports and strengthen domestic manufacturing, navigating both opportunities and challenges in global trade. India is set to broaden its electric vehicle (EV) policy to attract automakers, with a revised policy expected to be finalized by March 2025. This move aims to accelerate EV adoption while addressing gaps in the country's previous strategy, especially with Tesla's absence from the market. The Enforcement Directorate, ED, has raided properties linked to businessman Raj Kundra in connection with pornography and money laundering cases. The ED's focus on financial crimes tied to digital platforms and cryptocurrency fraud continues to expand. A Bhiwandi businessman has been duped of Rs. 30 lakh in a fake gold coin scam. The victim discovered the coins were counterfeit and reported the incident to the Narpoli police station. Authorities have arrested the accused and are working to track down a third individual involved in the scam. Pop sensation Ed Sheeran is all set to tour 6 cities in India in 2025, following his sold-out Mumbai concert earlier this year. Fans can expect to hear hits like Bad Habits, Shivers, and Eyes Closed as Sheeran's tour extends to cities across India, Bhutan, Qatar, and Bahrain. India has secured re-election to the United Nations Peacebuilding Commission for the 2025 to 2026 term. This reaffirms India's leadership role in addressing global conflicts and promoting peace building through coordinated international efforts. Tensions are rising in Sambhal over a mosque survey amid claims that the site may be home to a historical temple. Authorities have urged residents to maintain peace as legal proceedings related to the matter are underway. The National Green Tribunal (NGT) has criticized the National Mission for Clean Ganga (NMCG) for failing to take effective action against pollution in the Ganga River in Bihar. The NGT has warned that further inaction could lead to severe consequences, including the personal appearance of state officials. That's all for the top stories tonight. Stay with us for further updates.